You ready to take your fried chicken game to the next level? Listen, this recipe is absolutely delicious, and I'm gonna show you how. You ready? Let's go. All right, so let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our chicken wings, and guys, I'm gonna use whole chicken wings. I'm not gonna separate them. Here we have an egg, have flour right here in these two dishes right here, some hot sauce, some cornstarch in these two dishes, vegetable oil, soy sauce, liquid smoke, and right here I have our seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, so before we get started, I want you to prepare your chicken like this. This is gonna help that chicken get real juicy and flavorful. So as you can see, I cut some slits in there right here. I got a slit right there, and some slits over here in the middle here. All you have to do is take a kitchen knife and pierce the skin on the front and the back. That's gonna allow that marinade to seep in there on that meat, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna make that chicken juicy and flavorful. All right, so we're gonna set this aside, bring over another bowl. So now we're gonna prepare our marinade, and we're gonna add our egg here, along with our soy sauce, our vegetable oil, our hot sauce, and that liquid smoke. And let's not forget, we're gonna add all our seasonings here. And guys, I'm gonna leave the measurements of these seasonings in the video description so you guys know. And we're just gonna get this whisked up until it's all incorporated. All right, so it looks like we have this baby mixed pretty well. Now we're just gonna take our chicken. We're gonna sit those in there like that. And I'm using about 10 chicken wings. You can use around 8 to 10 for this particular recipe. Just like that. And all we're gonna do is get that baby mixed up, just like this. And you wanna make sure you get all that marinade on that chicken. All right, next we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of cornstarch. We're just gonna add that, and we're gonna continue to mix it. All right, so this is what we have. So we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for about a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. You can leave it at overnight, but ain't nobody got time for that today. I'm ready to eat Dwayne. All right, so I'm gonna put them in the oven, and we're gonna let them sit there for about 2 hours. All right, so I let our chicken wings sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. As you can see, it's still kind of moist. We want this batter to be just a little bit more thick than what it is. So we're gonna do a quick mix like that. And we're gonna take the remaining of our flour and cornstarch to try to get that batter a little bit more thicker, because this is how you're gonna get that nice crunchy crust, should I say. Now, this is what we're looking for right here. And if you have to add just a little bit more flour to get that batter the way you want it, or cornstarch, feel free to do that. All right, see what we have now, guys. This is what we're looking for right here. All right, so I have the fryer already preheated to 325 degrees. We don't want to drop that in there on 375 or 350 because you don't want it to cook fast, because what'll happen is you'll be brown on the outside and not done on the inside. All right, so we want to cook these pretty slow. So let's get over to the fryer. All right, so now that we're at our fryer, we're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. Now, if you have to cook them in batches, feel free to do that also. You definitely don't wanna overcrowd your pan. So we're gonna do about 4 at a time for about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, so we're gonna take our first batch out, man. Guys, y'all have to look at that. Look at that right there. Man, these babies look good. So I'm gonna sit these over here on a cooling rack while we finish our other batches. All right, guys, so we're working on our last batch right now. We're finishing up. Take a look at what we have. So I'm gonna transfer these along with the ones in our basket over to our cutting board, get them plated up because we're ready to go, all right? Guys, these wings look absolutely delicious. Guys, these are absolutely delicious, man. We're gonna go ahead and try one of these babies out. Oh man, delicious. Let me know what you think about this fried chicken recipe in the comment section below. I'm leaving the ingredients in the video description below. Until then, y'all already know, all wings, everything. And remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.